best binary option broker for you guys. Today I'm going to show you how to do binary trading. Okay, so this is the interface which you'll see. It's called the IQ option. I've given the link below. Go ahead and create a free account, and you can also get $10,000 for you to for as a demo for you to start trading the binary trading. You'll get it for practice account. Okay, so you can see out here that out of the 10,000 I made this much amount. So if you want to deposit on the real account, go to this deposit. On the practice account, you can just go and practice. For this example, I just want for this demo process, I made this practice account so that I can show you how to do the trading. Okay, but remember, binary trading is of very high risk. Okay, it's 70% chances are that you lose, and you can also lose all your money. Okay, so it's very risky thing to do. But yeah, if you want to do binary trading, keep watching. So there are various methods. If you want to invest on forex, stock, commodities, or any binary option, just go to I prefer digital and euro to USD, and just look at this graph. Okay, you can see. Okay, I'll just show you. You can see out here the green dot, which is going up and down. All you have to do is you have to predict whether this euro to USD will go up or down. Okay, if you predict higher, you can see the green area, and after you predict, if it goes above, you'll make profit, and if you have chosen higher one and it goes to the lower one, you'll lose your money. Okay, so if you can also choose the lower one if you want. If you think that the price will go down, you can choose that, and that's it. Okay, so you can see the different type of charts. You can use candles or whatever you find it easy, or bars. For this case, I'm just using the line. Okay, so all the graphical tools are the trend lines. You can just go and insert it, but you can see out here that I have this red, yellow, and blue line already inserted. Okay, so you can choose by there are many other things, so that you can enable the indicators, trends, volatility, etc. Okay, so let's do the first trade on how to do it. Okay, just let's look at the graph first. Since it's going up, the pattern is going up trend, so I love to call for the higher one, but let it go for a little down. Okay, now I've just bid $1,000 at this point. Okay, so as long as this point is above this green line, you are in profit. So if it comes below this green line out here, then you lose $1,000. Okay, so if it goes above before this expiration time, then you'll make money. You'll make $870. Okay, expected profit, you can see. So for this example, you can see that this green dot is going above. So this means that we are going to win this, but at any time if it comes out here. Okay, so if it came out here, then we'll make a loss. Okay, so just see, we just lost $1,000 right now. So you can see that this is very risky. So let's see the graph again. Okay, so it's down again. I'll click the higher one, so that we know if let's see if we can make that money again. Okay, let's you can also bid more than one time, but let's say you do not want to take the risk. Now let's see the expiration time is you can see out here 17 seconds. The expected profit, total investment, profit after sale, that is you get this much. Okay, so everything looks good, and within sometimes we know that if we are profiting. Okay, we just profited $870 right now. Okay, so again, let's look at the graph. Okay, I'll go for put. I'll go for the lower one. So in this example now, since I bid out here and I had chosen a lower, that means that you can see this red line. This point, this dot should fall below this red line for us to profit. If it goes above this red line, then we'll make a loss of $1,000. Okay, so let's look at how it goes. You can also make more than one bid at a time, but I don't recommend you when you are starting out. So let's see how it goes. We have 4 seconds. It's very tight. Okay, so boom, it went down. That means we profited again $870 once more. Okay, we made one loss, but we made 2 profits. Now that means we are on an ROI. Okay, so you can see the trading history. Okay, let's see. Okay, when I started this, we made a loss $1,000 in the first run, and after that we made profit of 870 and 870. Okay, so it means we just made around $700 in a matter of few minutes. Okay, so there were other bids also which I did. Okay, so this is just $1 bid which I won, and this is $1,000 which I lost. This is the winning one. This is the winning one again. You can see that I bid $10,000 and won 8,710. Okay, I bid 10,000 and I won this much. But again, in one case I lost. I bid 20,000 and I won $17,413. I bid for $10,000 and I won 8,700. I bid for 20,000 and I won 17,000. So today was a very good day. And remember, this practice account and the real account are almost the same. Okay, so if you are doing good in practice account, you'll do good after you make a real deposit. Okay, so in order to deposit, you just have to click this button, and there are lots of ways to deposit the amount. You can deposit by net teller, advance cash, Skrill, Visa, web money, this much amount, and you can just choose the amount. Okay, how much you want to invest. Of course, you can it's all in USD. But you can also change to any other whatever you like. Okay, so in order to create an account, just go to the description below this video, and I've given a link. Just go and click that link, and you can go and register for a free account with $10,000 as a demo for you guys to go and practice, and you can also make a deposit. Thank you very much for watching this video, and remember, this is a high risk. Binary option is very high risk, and as well as you'll make money also, but there's a higher chance that you'll lose money also. So bear in mind while registering for an account. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.